Come with me as I show you how I hand drew Final Fantasy's Clive with just a pencil and ink. Let's start. Step 1. Pencil sketch and composition. Every piece starts with a simple sketch and comp. Clive is the central figure of this piece, so I started with his face and then built outward from that. I'm largely focused on the direction of and where things are, such as where his clothes are folding and general direction of the fire and smoke. Step 2. Solidify comp and basic inking. If the hair ain't flowing, I'm not going forward with my piece. Hair is my favorite thing to ink, so I like to take my time and feel each line section by section. I can't wait to show it up close later. But this looks good, so I can go all out in the live stream. Live stream start. With so many directions to potentially take, my first step here is to establish the darkest values around the center of the board. This means the deep shadows within the folds of his jacket, inner collar, gloves, and so on. To achieve this, I use certain tools of the trade. If it's very clear that a fold will be solid black, I use my Sakura Pigma FB to cover that section. If a section has variation, I will use the same 0.3 Pilot mechanical pencil I used in the sketch phase to indicate how heavy my line work should gradually be later. For those parts, I use my Sakura Micro Pigment inks at 0.45mm, 0.25mm, and 0.2mm. Super tiny! Essentially, I'm just using a pencil and variations of 2 Sakura ink pen types to complete this piece. These are waterproof archival inks, so when I set that pen to the board, there is no going back. And that is the challenge I deliberately set for myself. Thoughtful, intentional lines only. This is why I move from section to section. I'll set a part down to let my mind and eyes reset, and if the part reads well with fresh eyes later, I will lay down the ink. Repeat over and over again for hours, and my illustration will be done. There are more steps and details explained in the next one, so be sure to follow so you don't miss the full process.